Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover revision test 2 of class 10th chapters 2, 4, 10, 11, that is sets, pair of linear equations, mensuration and trigonometry. Okay, in the previous video we discussed section 1, 2 marks questions 1 to 6, right? Now in this video we are going to cover Students, in this video we are going to cover section 2 from 7 to 12 guys. From 7 to 12. Each question carries 4 marks. Okay, let's start. So in section 2 they gave 6 questions guys. Okay, 7 to 12 and each question carries 4 marks. Okay, now coming to the first sum. What is given? If 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4, then show that tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 or cot theta equal to root 3. Okay, we can solve this sum using two or three methods guys. I'm going to explain all the three. Then whichever is easy to you, you can follow that method in exam. Okay, let's start. Students, what is given? 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4, right? Okay, now take the given equation, that is 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4. Keep it as equation 1. Now we need to show that tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 or cot theta equal to root 3, right? Now, so from the equation 1, convert either sine to cos or cos to sine. Anyone, you can convert into any one of the trigonometric function. Okay, I'm converting cos to sine guys. So according to the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? So in place of cos square, we can replace by 1 minus sin square theta. This one remaining same. This also remaining same. Change only this part. Okay, now simplify. What we get? 7 sin square theta plus 3 minus 3 sin square theta equal to 4. Okay, now simplify. 7 sin square theta minus 3 cos sin square theta. We get 4 sin square theta. This equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta equal to 1 by 4, right? Therefore, sin theta equal to root of 1 by 4, that equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now, so when sin can be sin equal to 1 by 2 guys, so it angle 30 degrees, right? Therefore, theta value equal to 30 degrees guys. Okay, theta equal to 30 degrees. Now what we need to show here? We need to show that tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So when tan theta becomes 1 by root 3, a tan equal to 30 degrees, right? Therefore, this holds good. Okay, now we go the same. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS guys. So understood. So in the second method, students, in second method, I converted in terms of cos. In the previous method, we converted in terms of sine, right? Now I convert in terms of cos. So sine square, I convert into 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta as it is, 4 as it is. Simplify. 7 minus 7 cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4. So what we get? Minus 7 square plus 3 cos square. We get is equal to 7 minus 4 minus 7 guys. Okay, now. Okay, what we get? 4 cos square theta equal to 3 guys, because minus minus get cancelled, we get 4 cos square theta equal to 3. Now cos square theta equal to 3 by 4, right? Take down this square goes to root of this RHS part. We get root of 3 by 4, that equal root 3 by 2. So when cos theta becomes root 3 by 2, it an angle of 30 degrees, right? Okay, theta equal 30 degrees, right? Therefore, theta value equal 30 degrees. If you substitute theta value in terms of tan 30 also 1 by root 3, right? Therefore, this also holds good. Now, coming to method 3, guys. What is method 3 given? So, I hope you understand method 1 and method 2, right? Now, coming to method 3. From RHS part, what is given? tan theta equal to 1 by root 3, right? So find out theta value. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So when tan becomes 1 by root 3 at the angle 30 degrees. Okay, cancel tan and tan. We get theta equal to 30 degrees, right? Substitute the theta value in the given value. So 7 into sine square 30 plus 3 cos square 30 equal to 4. So after simplifying this one, we should get RHS for 4 guys. Then the statement holds, then the statement satisfies. Okay, now what is sine square 30? 1 by 2 whole square. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 4. Now simplify. We get, students, what we get after simplifying? We get LCM 7 by, we get equation as fraction as 7 by 4 plus 9 by 4. LCM is 4. We get 7 plus 9, that equals 16 by 4. We got RHS as 4, right? Therefore this also satisfies. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay. Okay, please comment me in the comment section if you are having any doubt regarding this sum. Thank you for watching, guys.